Hello friends, is your car experiencing rough idling, stalling, or hesitation while driving? If your scanner has detected the P0399 error code, it means there's an issue with the Camshaft Position Sensor B circuit intermittent, bank 2. Ignoring this issue can lead to engine misfires, reduced power, and even sudden stalling. But don't worry, today, I'll explain what P0399 means, its symptoms, the exact sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0399 code stands for Camshaft Position Sensor B circuit intermittent, bank 2. The Camshaft Position Sensor, CMP, is responsible for monitoring the position of the camshaft and sending signals to the ECU, engine control unit. This helps in precise fuel injection timing and ignition control. When the ECU detects an intermittent signal from Camshaft Position Sensor B on bank 2, it triggers the P0399 code, which can cause performance issues. Common symptoms of P0399: check engine light, CL, on, intermittent stalling or hesitation while driving, engine misfires or rough idling, poor acceleration and reduced power, increased fuel consumption. If you're experiencing these issues, the next step is to locate the camshaft position sensor. The Camshaft Position Sensor, CMP-B for bank 2, is typically found in these locations: on the cylinder head, usually mounted near the camshaft, either intake or exhaust side; near the timing chain or timing belt cover, positioned close to the camshaft gear; behind the valve cover, located on the top part of the engine; on the intake camshaft, bank 2 side, in engines with dual camshafts. Important tip: bank 2 is the side of the engine that does not have cylinder 1. Check your vehicle's manual to confirm the exact location for your model. Here are some common causes of the P0399 error code. First, a faulty camshaft position sensor, or CMP, could be the culprit. The sensor might be failing due to age or damage. Second, loose or corroded wiring. Broken or damaged wires can cause intermittent signals. Third, oil contamination. Oil leaks can cover the sensor and disrupt its readings. Fourth, timing chain or belt issues. A stretched or misaligned timing chain can affect the sensor's performance. And finally, an ECU malfunction or software glitch. The engine control unit may need reprogramming or resetting. Now let's go through the steps to fix the P0399 error code. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm the error code and check for related codes. Step 2. Locate the Camshaft Position Sensor B on bank 2 and inspect it. Step 3. Examine the wiring and connectors for signs of wear, damage, or corrosion. Step 4. Test the sensor's voltage and resistance using a multimeter. Replace if faulty. Step 5. Inspect the timing chain or belt to ensure it's aligned properly. Step 6. If needed, update or reset the ECU software. Step 7. Clear the code with an obd2 scanner and take the car for a test drive. The P0399 code is a serious issue that can cause intermittent stalling and performance loss. If your car is showing hesitation, misfires, or rough idling, make sure to inspect and replace the camshaft position sensor if needed. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0094. Fuel system leak, small leak detected. P0095. Intake air temperature sensor 2, circuit high. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.